The technological and digital transformation of the economy that has been going on for several years accelerated amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The challenges and opportunities unveiled by the pandemic continue to make technology and biotech compelling sectors for investors. It is in this context that the team at Credit Suisse created the Credit Suisse Tech Edge Index, an index focused on technology, from the equity strategy to the volatility control mechanism. Driven by Salt Financial's cutting-edge True Vol technology, the index offers multi-asset exposure and implements a responsive design to help navigate changing markets. Here's how it works. The equity portion of the index provides exposure to 4 U.S. ETFs, known for their focus on technology and innovation, and attempts to capture growth opportunities in these segments. Every month, these 4 sector ETFs are weighted in reverse rank order, according to their recent volatility. The goal here is to allocate a greater weight to less volatile components and reduce exposure to more volatile ones. That's not all. The index also brings diversification thanks to a fixed income component. Once rescaled based on intraday and end-of-day data to target a specific amount of volatility, the equity exposure is balanced with a dynamic bond exposure in an attempt to adapt to changing rates environments and offer additional opportunities to potentially enhance returns. Together, these two components form the multi-asset allocation. Finally, the bespoke risk control mechanism was designed in collaboration with Salt Financial. The objective of this final step is to maintain the realized volatility of the index at or around 4.5% every day and attempt to deliver stable performance in multiple market environments. Let's take a closer look. As in any traditional risk control mechanism, the index will rebalance its exposure to the multi-asset allocation and potentially switch to cash during periods of market stress. A differentiating characteristic of the index comes from the fact that the measurement of equity risk within the allocation includes intraday data provided by Salt Financial. And what is also innovative is the additional refinement of the weights within the multi-asset allocation. Indeed, the final allocation to equity will be calibrated daily based upon a risk-on, risk-off signal provided by Salt Financial using intraday volatility data. By relying on higher frequency data to identify changes in volatility, the idea is to respond to the market environment faster compared to traditional volatility forecasts and therefore foster greater stability for the index. How does that translate into potential returns? The index did not exist prior to January 14, 2021. However, going back to December 2002 and using hypothetical simulated data, we can see that the Credit Suisse Tech Edge Index would have achieved an annualized return of 5.9%. Find out more at indices.credit-suisse.com/CSEATEDG.